Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change domain name on Wix. All right. For example, here I'm logged into my Wix account. Let's say, for example, that we want to choose this website, select site. All right. And let's wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and go to the top right here, which just says site actions with the 3 dots. Click on it and just hit on rename site. All right. Once you're in here, it will allow us to edit the site name. For example, the lazy daddy. All right, that would be the name of the site. So the site URL right here, this one is the ones that you'd like to change. All right, just go ahead and type in the lazy daddy. All right, once done, just hit on save. As you can see here, it is now currently renamed the site and it will load again. Now when we go back to the 3 dots, as you can see here, rename site, it says here your site isn't published yet. When you publish your site, this will be your free domain. All right, and that's how you basically change the domain name on Wix. Now if you have other domains, like for example, you just want to connect it right here, connect domain. All right, and this one will load. For example, I'm going to find in again the lazy daddy. I know this one has already been taken. Let's just try it out. As you can see here, what domain do you want to connect to? The lazy daddy. As you can see here, thelazydaddy.com is taken. Is it yours? Well, if you are the owner, just go ahead and click on yes, I own this domain, and simply follow the prompts afterwards. All right. Now, if you don't own this one, unfortunately, you can't use .com, but here are some suggestions. All right. thelazydaddy.net, .online, .biz, .info, .org, and so on and so forth. All right. Once you click on one and you publish your site, your domain name will be changed as well. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.